So, this may not have been the hottest Wasteland on record, but it just might have been. We'll have to check later. But all I know is it's pretty goddamn hot, and you all have been amazing at surviving, because that's what we do in the Wasteland. And by surviving, I mean just getting by enough to party at night, right? I just have a couple of quick announcements, and then we'll have some fun. Remember, this is a pack it in, pack it out event. We do not provide trash cans for you. And the portos and the sinks are not trash cans. If you are looking around to find a trash can, remember this. You are the trash can. You take it with you, you take it home. Or if you want to put it in the dumpster, you can give us some money for that. It's called Cash for Trash. And now I'm going to say something that I haven't quite said yet, that I like to say every year. Better late than never. Welcome to Wasteland Weekend!
I am Scrotus. I'm the son of the immortal Joe.
Dementus, heed my words. This patch of the wasteland is neutral territory. But any slight against the Citadel will be met with the full force of my Half-Life war boys and the power of the V8.
Morton Joe, I have an armada camped outside this city, ready to take it by force. Surrender to Dementus and his horde.
Or, there's a third way, which is my way, which is that you both walk through these gates. Let's party! Let them in. Bring them in. Thank you, Badlands Savages, for the drumming.
up here? Oh. It's a bummer.
You married me 20 years ago!
I didn't.
Yes, you did!
It's a fucked up, pissy, pushy wedding.
Well, then I want a real one!
The real one is here.
Then fucking marry me! And tell me right there! All right, who wants to help me get my dowry? I need to marry my husband again! Come help me with my dowry! I need to marry my husband again!
We need bodies.
We need bodies.
Bobby! Bobby, have a fuel helicopter?
Gotta be someone.
What is this? Stealing the helicopter!
Moving our bells.
Better have some gloves.